In this video, we'll walk you through the process of resetting your password. Make sure you have your Utho Cloud credentials ready before you begin. Step 1. Log into Utho Cloud portal. Step 2. Navigate to your instance. Go to the Instances or Virtual Machine section in the dashboard. Select the instance for which you need to reset the password. Step 3. Reset the password. Look for a Reset Password option, and then click Reset Password option. Wait a few seconds, your password is reset. Step 4. Restart the instance. After resetting, restart the instance to apply the changes. Once the instance boots up, you can log in using the new password via SSH or web console. Alternative, use rescue mode if password reset is not available. Some cloud providers offer a rescue mode in the instance settings. Thank you for being part of the Utho Cloud community. We're here for you every step of the way. Thanks for watching the video.